Hello my special friends, Neo 123 is back with update from our building project series. Today we are doing episode 20 and it's a special one. Most importantly, we are showcasing every stage of this project that has been completed. I told you earlier in our last episode that we are doing matting for our reinforcement. So this is a view of what it looks like. If you look at this reinforcement for the beam, this is reinforcement for the beam. We have three members here on the down and two on top. This is because this is a two-story building project. So when it gets to penthouse, we're going to reduce this base, the bottom, to two members. So that has been completed all around. You can see the beam has been completed round the top of this basement apartment. Now let's take a view. Let's take a closer look at the matting done here. Let's go around. You can see everything that has been done, and the other things completed in this project as well. So let me stay here and give you a view of the entire process. Now if you look at each space here, it's been well matted. Everything has been fastened together. Now something important is happening here. This tension bar you are seeing is going to carry the staircase. This is the riser for the staircase. So it's been done before the casting. Very important, so that the base is incorporated into this decking. So very important. And if you come closer here again, if you come close, you're going to see this member that is coming. This is the hanger for electrical fan. You see where it goes. Talking about this. Now, on this other side of the apartment, talking about the front apartment, we also have another riser here. There's going to be a staircase here. There's going to be a staircase here that leads you to the next floor. So this is the riser, the tension bar. Very important. The structural engineer had to incorporate a beam here that runs from this beam, connecting it to this section, this partition. And because this was not cast, so there is need to place another beam here to support, to carry this whole length or load. So that has been done. And also, we told you earlier, because of the failure we had here, we have to redesign this to include adding a reinforcement, since we are going to build block partition here. So we're going to cast this afterwards. Then the block wall can now come on top. And after that, you can see how far we have gone with our sand filling. This is completed. Here is completed as well. And this space is also completed. Filled up. Here is filled up. Here is filled up. This is partially filled up. So we're going to bring more supplies. We assume that the 29-30 trips of lateral sand we brought on site could fill up these entire places. but we've placed fresh order for additional supply. So as soon as that arrives, we are going to commence filling as well. So that is about filling and the reinforcement. Now you're going to see something important. The plumbing, the pipes are installed, they're fully in place. We want to make sure that while casting is done, they are buried. They are, when we are doing a German floor for the front apartment. Yeah, good morning. This is well covered. So the installation has been done. So everywhere there is going to be toilet space, the pipes have been installed. You can see that as well. That is for the kitchen space. That is for the toilet in the living room too. And up, we are going to get 2 toilets on the first floor, not the basement. This one is serving for the basement. This one is going to serve for the first floor where we're standing, the apartment. While this one is going to the next floor. So that is what we have. And I guess you are hearing some sound downstairs in the basement apartment. So we're going to see what is going on there. I showed you earlier the hanger. The hanger is being stored. Each apartment, that is a hanger there. There's this one here. And if we move further, we can show you this one as well. There's a hanger here. There's this one here. And if we come to this space as well, we should find one. Yes, this is identified. So, and this is another one serving that space. So, quickly we now go to what is happening downstairs, the basement apartment. Let's see what is going on there before we round off our coverage of episode 20. Very important landmark achievement made so far in this project. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Do well to like, share, drop your comments. This is a view of the installation, the piping installation, piping installation. This is a view of that. And for this side, this is the piping installation completed. Piping installation completed. Piping installation completed. Piping installation completed. Now, let's see what is going on inside. All the knocking sound you're hearing. Inside here, the knocking sound you're hearing is for electrical fittings, basically positions for hosted components. I'm talking about switches and and pipes as well. The electrical pipes will run through this. The conduit pipe. This is the space created for it. Space for switches. You can see that one there. You can see the fast. Doing the job very fast. Our changeover switch. That is where it's going to be mounted. Control box, the unit. Work is still ongoing. conduit wiring, electrical installation. Yes, this is the sitting room. Creation for electrical wiring, electrical installation. This is electrical installation. Electrical piping for the living room. So far so good. So smash my subscribe button if you have done so. A big thumbs up to you, those that have subscribed to this channel, and most importantly, share this video with your loved ones, building enthusiasts, home or building enthusiasts, as well as civil engineering lovers, engineers, students that are doing internship, as well as core investors in the beauty industry. Share this video for wider coverage. And from this place, this is Neo 123, saying thank you to all of you, and do have a great week.